Ating ikalimang kalahok, Mac David. Kung ato from Barangay Kawit.
Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. A singer in a smoky room, the smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they could share tonight. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting, up and down the boulevard. Their shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Working hard to get my feel. Everybody wants a thrill, paying anything to roll the dice. Just one more time. Some will win, some will lose. Some are born to sing the blues. How the movie never ends. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting, up and down the boulevard. Their shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Don't stop believing. Hold on to the feeling. Street light, people. Don't stop believing. Hold on to the feeling. Street light, people. Don't stop believing. Hold on to the feeling. Street lights, people. Don't stop.
Yeah!
Mac David!
Grabe! Grabe ang energy!
Ang
ng
bata-bata
batang ito.
pero ang boses pang mama na.
Oo.
Saan mo kayo inihugot yan?
Nako, eto na Justin, para naman magbigay ng komento ang ating hurado-hurado.
Miss MJ.
Ayan, Miss MJ. Ang ganda naman ni Miss MJ, kahit sa malayo, oh. Miss
Oo.
MJ.
Thank you. Hi, baby boy!
Hello po.
Pero before ako mag-comment, gusto ko i-comment ang gaganda rin ng hosts on stage at ang guwapo din.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank
Oh,
Yeah.
joke lang daw yon.
Joke lang ba yun? Nagigigil naman ako sa'yo, ma'am.
Okay, so, hi, baby boy!
Hello po.
You're only 10 years old, right?
Opo.
Wow, grabe. Alam mo ba, hindi ako nakapag-score kasi nag-enjoy lang ako sa performance mo.
Thank
So,
you po.
palakpakan naman natin siya. Grabe, at that age, parang naglalaro lang ako ng PSP niya. Pero ayun, enjoyable. You're so charming. Nakikita kita either The Voice or
Thank you po.
Idol Philippines. One day, you should join, anak. And then, high notes are on point. Kaya yun yung lagi ko inaabangan eh. And then also, sometimes you get too excited because ng mga bagsak, but then binabawi mo naman siya. It's just that it's a room for improvement, anak, na if you get too excited, you still have to maintain na, okay, kailangan consistent ako. Okay? But all in all, you're so great, you're so good, malayo mararating mo. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Yes!
Ayan, thank you, Miss MJ.
Good luck sa'yo, Nakshi. Ayan, ha.
Thank you,
Standby ka
Mac.
muna sa likod.
Ay, mayroon pa. Yung,
meron pa
magko-comment,
isa.
bebe.
Meron pa
Ayan
pala
ang
isa.
ating,
Oo.
Sir
Resident
John!
Judge.
Excited.
Excited pa uwi. Sir Jan, sorry po.
Oo.
Bakla lang po.
Hindi tuloy ako makapagsalita. No? Okay, Mac. Well, base sa performance mo kanina, hindi ko siya masyadong nagustuhan. No? Kasi naiibigan kita habang nagpe-perform.
Na hindi niya mo, hindi niya nagustuhan, napamahal siya.
Napamahal ako sa'yo kasi naalala ko yung mga anak ko, wala kasi dito sa Pilipinas. No? I remember, parang nakikita ko sa kanya yung pag may bisita ang mga magulang, dali, kanta ka. Parang ganon, di ba?
Oo.
Yes.
Sir, andito po yung panganay nyo.
Hindi po yung panganay, pang-anay.
Well, congratulations. I really love it.
Thank you po.
Congrats.
Thank you, Sir
Ayan.
John.
Ayan, totoo na.
Final.
Pahinga ka na doon sa likod, ha?